Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivari, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we have to start another topic in the set, that is application of set. And this there are so many statement problem based on sets. So let us take one of them. First of all, there are two formulas which will be used in this exercise. First off, number of elements in A union B is equals to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. Here A intersection B represents both the elements comes in A and B, and A union B is used for at least A or B. Now if there are three events or three set, then N A union B union C is equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NA intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. This is the formula for three event. Now let us take one by one some example. First example, if the condition in this form NC intersection T is given as 70, NC is given as 37, and T is given as 52, and we have to find intersection, that is NC intersection T. We have to find this. So as simple as that, apply the formula straight away. We will be able to get the result in this. So subtract, first of all add 37 and 52 and subtract this quantity 70, then you will get the answer. For example, how much it will be? 89 minus 70, that is 19, will be the intersection. Now comes to next question. Number of elements in A is 20. Number of elements in A union B is 42. If we have to find number of elements in B and intersection given as 4. So apply the same formula and put the respective values. So this is the value of A intersection B, 42, and number of elements in set A is given as 20, and in B we have to find. This is the intersection. So 20 minus 4, 16, 16 minus 42, it will give 26. So 26 is the total number of element in set B. Similarly, if we have to find number of elements in A minus B, this is we called as only A. Only A. Or you can say that A but not B. A but not B. So how can you find this quantity NA minus B? So here is the formula for that, NA minus NA intersection B. So we have NA is 20 and intersection we already have. So 20 minus 4, it will be 16. Similarly, NB minus NA, this is known as only B. Only B. Now, so NB minus equal to NB minus NA intersection B. So 26 minus 4, this will be 22. Now the whole exercise is based on these two formulas. This is first one and this is second one. And sometimes these two are also be used. Please do remember of these formulas, and you will be able to do the exercise based on application of set. Okay students, so that's all for the day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.